morning, students. Now we have the another concept, differences between normal and inferior goods. Differences between normal and inferior goods. It is 4 marks question. Briefly explain the differences between normal and inferior goods. So here there are differences between normal goods and inferior goods. Now one is normal goods. The first difference between normal goods and inferior goods is normal goods are those goods for which the demand rises as consumer income increases. So here normal goods are those goods. Demand for normal goods increases. Demand for normal goods increases as consumer income increases. So here there is a direct relationship between demand for a good and income of the consumer. So here the consumer demand for normal goods moves in the same direction as the income of the consumer. So here there is a direct relationship between demand for normal goods and income of the consumer. If the income of the consumer increases, demand for normal goods increases. So here, look at the board here. Here, if income increases, demand for normal goods also increases. If income decreases, demand for normal goods also decreases. So here, if income increases, demand for normal goods increases. If income decreases, demand for normal goods also decreases. So there is a direct relationship between the income of the consumer and demand for normal goods. So here normal goods are those goods for which the demand increases as a consumer income increases, and demand for normal goods decreases as consumer income decreases. So the best example for normal goods, our daily goods, fruits, high-tech products, cars, etc. So these are best example for normal goods. Next we have inferior goods. Inferior goods are those goods for which the demand decreases as income increases. So here, if income of the consumer increases, the demand for inferior goods decreases. There is a opposite relationship between the demand for a good and income of the consumer. So here the demand for inferior goods moves opposite direction. So here, if income of the consumer increases, demand for such goods, demand for inferior goods decreases. If income decreases, demand for inferior goods increases. So inferior goods are those goods for which the demand decreases, as consumer income increases. So here there is an opposite relationship between the income of the consumer and demand for inferior goods. The best example for the inferior goods, ragi, sajje, navane and other millets. So these are low priced goods. So demand for low priced goods or millets. So here these are best example for inferior goods.